The Academic Development Programme has been created by the University of Lancashire to support Year 11 students ahead of their exams. Based around developing metacognitive skills, each workshop will give students practical strategies to make them proactive, independent learners, ready to approach their exams with confidence. We offer a range of fully funded sessions delivered in schools around Lancashire and the North West. Let's have a look at how each session supports students.
Our subject revision sessions focus on the core subjects English, Maths and Science. Working with teachers across the region, we've identified topics and exam questions that students find most challenging and designed targeted activities to help them tackle these with confidence. Students will learn how to decode exam questions and apply these skills across different subjects. Each session is designed to strengthen revision techniques and help students stay calm, focused and in control during their exams. We know that some students already use revision strategies, and so our memory session encourages them to think about which are effective and why. We focus on the differences between long-term and short-term memory and explore which practical revision strategies work best for them as individuals. We want to help students deal with challenges as they approach their exams and have developed a game-based session to do just this. In 3 rounds, students explore their responses to challenging situations, consider growth mindset, managing the adrenal stress response, problem solving and time management. Here's what just a few of the teachers and students from Corpus Christi Catholic High School in Preston thought about the sessions and how they've helped.
Our students get a variety of different perspectives on how to revise, which obviously helps them massively when it comes to revising for end of year exams and ultimately their GCSEs.
I feel like my revision skills have improved because I've learned the best way to do it, and that's through mind maps and organising time.
I feel more confident with my time management and how to more effectively do revision and how to keep it in my head.
If you would like us to deliver the Academic Development Programme in your school to help students understand metacognition, boost revision skills and improve attainment, please email us to find out more.